Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in the last video, we looked into the common data type in Python programming language. And in this video, I will show you how to work with string. What are the string functions that we can use. So now I want to create a new file. So this time I'm going to call this string.py. This is a new one, and here first of all I want to just print out something. So say this one, working with Python, probably string right here. So I want to right here, if I click on this, it's going to run the one which is the app. So I have to select one with the string. So select the run, and down here this is the one, and when I click on this, it will just automatically select this one here saying the working with Python string. It's just showing me right here. Okay, so now we have this. What about if I want the string to go into the next line? Can be say working with string, Python string. So to go to the next line in between these two, I can just add the backslash, and this will just show me or goes to the next line. It just split these two, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is one of them, and the other one. So say if I want to basically let's just again working with Python string. This time I want to have the string with the bubble quote to show me in the result here as well. But if I put something like this and click on the run button, you can see that it's not a correct syntax. So whenever we want to put something like this, it considers this first part as the string itself, like the first one, the first part right here. So to escape this issue, we can just use the escape character. So you can just use the backslash right here, and the same as this one right here. So it will just escape this part, and instead of consider this as like the first string, it will just escape this and show this on the result. Working with Python string with the quote showing in the result here. Alright, so the next one, this would be something like, say I want to convert the string to probably lowercase or uppercase. Then I can now just define a variable to store the value. So in case this one, I want my text to change, something like this. Okay, so for now I can just print out this text, and here we can see that I want my text to change. Okay, so probably change this to be changed. Down here I can just say something like lower. So this is a function that can be used with a string. So what it does, it will try to convert this whole text to a lowercase. So now I want to change all of this to capital letter for the first each word. So here you can see that even though this is the contain the capital letters, what we get right now, it's only we only get the all of the value or all of the string into the lowercase, which you can see right here. What if I want to change this to all to uppercase? Again, there's a function to do that. It's called upper. So this will convert the whole text right here into the uppercase. So these are the two functions. So let me just keep the first one, the lower, and this is the upper. Okay, so now this is another one we can work with. What about the other one? So the other one, I'm going to define again with this as my string. This one I'm going to say like Python. Down here, I want to make sure that this is the all lowercase. So to check that, in the previous video I'll show you the Boolean type, which is it can be true or it can be false. So again, in the Python, we working with string, we have the function to do or to check that. So I'm going to check, say, my string, whether it is uppercase. So you can just type dot is upper, and here we can see this is function. So when I click on the run button, here you can see that it show me as false, and meaning that this is not uppercase at all, because this is all in lowercase. So to do that, I want to change this to all uppercase, and then try to run this again. We get the result of saying this, yep, this is the true value, it is the all uppercase. And I want to another one, which is the probably this one is lower, just to check that if this is lowercase, we get the false result, and this is true the same. So right now I want to contain this, say Python is the most popular programming language, like that. And here if we run this, going to get all of them as false, because this one right here, the first character, it is a capital letter, it's not all of them are uppercase. So there's a way we can combine this function with this function right here. So first I want to basically convert this whole string to uppercase. So in between this right here, between the variable and this uppercase is upper, I can just add like upper dot is upper. Okay, so what this does, it will just first convert everything into uppercase, and then it check whether this is uppercase. So we just combine this function into with using this function. So now when I click on the run button, here you can see that we get the true result. And the same as this one, I can just do something like lower is lower. Now we get this all of them as true, because we convert before we check whether it is a lowercase or not. We convert this into all of them into lowercase. Then this is the result that we get, which all of these two conditions are true. Okay, so the next one that I want to show you, which is, say, again, I'll just use the same variable, which is my string, just to make sure that you don't get confused. Right here, I would say again, Python. This time, I want to count how many characters are there in this text, in this word. So now I can just say like print. We use a function called len. It stands for length. So in here, I can just use the call it as my string. So now when I click on this, you can see that it count the whole value here, count the whole string. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 of this in this string. So this is only easy that we can just count quickly. What about this text right here? There's a lot. So I can just quickly do that, and it count me right away. It's very quick, it's very fast. As you can see, if you count this one by one, it takes so much time. So this is the purpose of using this length, and it's a little bit different from the one that I just showed you up here, because the length we have to define it before the my string value, and it wrapped inside this parenthesis. So that's the difference. Now we learn another one, which is the length, the character counter. So next one I want to show you, which is the get the character inside a string. So I can just again use this one right here as just one example. So print my string, and right here we can just use the bracket. Okay, so now what if I want to know the probably say 5. So when I click on the run button, we can now see that the 5th position in this my string, the number 5, it is the n. So now let me just count this quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I can see right now, this is only supposed to be like the character O instead of N. You can see that, is it like an issue or something? No, it's not, because getting the character, it count this one from 0 because this is the index. So the index, it start from 0. So we would count this one as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th character right here, this is the index of this string, which is the character n. Okay, so this is another one. What about if I want to, again, just showing you that it start from this is supposed to be 0. I want to get the value from that, and here this is the p character. What about the other one that I want to show you, which is to get the can basically scan through everything. So now I want to print out this, and here I want to get my string again, and this time I would say like index. So here I want to search for a character inside the string. I can see that we have O, 1, 2, there's a couple of letter O right here. So I want to search for that character. So right here, I just click on this. What happens if I run this right now? Okay, so now let me just quickly run that, and we can see that we get the result, which is number 4. So if we start counting the index from 0, we can see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right here. So what about the others? So basically this function, it only get the first character inside a string. It only get the first index position which it found. So in here we can see that if it founds the first one, then it will just show us the first one right here, not the others. So what if the character that we want to look for doesn't exist? So let's say this one doesn't have the character Z or Z. So if I click on the run button, what we get that this an error. It's throw an error saying that the substring not found. So this is the how we use the function. Next one I want to show you, which is right here. I would say like my string again. This time going to be Python print. Right here I want to use another function, which is my string dot replace. So I want to replace something. Instead of like saying pi, I want to replace these first two characters with something else. So I can, this has the two parameter, the pi and the other one, which is the value that you want to replace with. So here I want to replace the word pi with the word high. So when I click on this, here you can see instead of showing Python, right now we get the result of saying hyphen. Okay, so this is another function that I want to show you in this tutorial. And there's a lot more function that we can use with string in the Python programming language. But for now, I want to show you these are the common function that you will use most of the time. So now we look into how to use the lower, the upper, and check whether this is the uppercase or the text is actually the all lowercase. And we also have the counting the character, which is the length, to know how many character are there inside the string. And we also get the index of things like I want to get the first index of the character, then we can show this P right here. Right now down here we also have the index as well, so I want to know the index of first character O inside my string. So then we just scan through the text and see if this is the 1, which is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it just show me the result of 4. So this is getting the index. And last but not least, this one I show you, which use the replace. So this will replace whatever that we want, which is pi, with the pi. So you can see this is how we replace the character. And there are more functions that we can find again inside this website W3 School. You can see that we have some other functions, says like capitalize, center, count, find, index, is lower, like I just show you right here, and lower here as well. So there are more function you can use. And in this website, this is coming from the official website, docs.python.org. There are more here, but probably when you first started learning the Python programming, probably this document can be a little bit overwhelming. You don't know where to start with, because there's a lot of information and it's not really user friendly, I would say. So you first, if you want to learn more about the function, you can get into this website and try to see that, say if I want to basically format something inside the string, then you can see that what really it does is say that format specific value into a string. So you can quickly get an idea when you looking or start using this website. And again, if you have any question, let me know. Until then, see you guys in the next video.